In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save jobs on Whatnot 20T6. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find open roles and quickly save the ones you want to revisit or apply to later. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Whatnot website. When the homepage loads, look to the left-hand side panel. That side panel is your main navigation for this process. Find the option labeled Careers and click it. Don't worry if the site opens a new tab when you do this. That's expected, and it just keeps the main site separate from the careers pages so you can come back easily. On the careers page, look for the button or link that says Discover Jobs and click it. This takes you straight to the job listings. Give the page a moment to load, then scroll down to see all of the available roles. You can browse at your own pace here. Take a look through the titles, teams, and locations to get a quick sense of what might be a fit. If there's a search bar or filters, use them to narrow things down by keywords, departments, or regions, but it's perfectly fine to simply explore the list if you're just getting started. As you browse, when you come across a position that seems right for you, look for a small heart icon next to the listing or near the View Jobs button. Click that heart to save the role. You'll know it worked when the heart turns yellow. Think of that as your confirmation that the job is now saved to your list. If you click the heart again, it will unsave, so make sure it stays highlighted if you want to keep it. To double check that your saved role is stored correctly, look again to the left-hand panel on the jobs site and click Saved Jobs. This view gathers everything you've favorited into one place so you can quickly review details, compare roles, or come back later to apply. If you don't see the job there, refresh the page or confirm you're viewing the same account and browser you used to save it. Some features work best when you're signed in, so staying logged in on the same device helps keep your saved list consistent. That's the whole workflow. Go to Whatnot, open Careers, choose Discover Jobs, scroll and browse, click the heart to save, and check Save Jobs to confirm. Keep using the heart icon as you explore, and you'll build a short list you can act on when you're ready. Thanks for watching, and happy job hunting!